Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Weeks by David. Today I would like to show you this tool. This is brake pipe cutter laser 7624. If you guys are interested, let's have a look. So the brake pipe cutter laser 7624. This is very good brake pipe cutter. It's also included with the ratchet. You have to put into pipe, just turn 2 or 3 times and coming off, yeah, cut it. Also you can use a ratchet on it, like you can go half turn, again half turn, again. Yeah, so it's very quick, very good, very sharp. Thank you. Thank you very much guys for watching. In the description you can find a link where you can buy this tool. Also in the comment you can find a link. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you are happy with my video, please leave me a like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.